YouTube? It's your girl, Scat Pack Jazz, and I just purchased a Mustang seat for my 2021 Scout Bobber and the Vance and Hines exhaust kit. So, about to install that for you guys today and do another ride and see if it rides better with the new seat. Hopefully I'll do a before and after with the sound, and yeah, so let's get to it. So here is my Mustang seat that I bought. I think I paid a little over $300 for it. And here's the thing I was looking for, man. The Vance and Hines performance exhaust. About to unbox it. And there's the bike. I haven't really put that many miles on it like I should have been, but hopefully this new seat, better exhaust or a louder exhaust, makes me want to ride again. That was the cold start with a little bit of revving. Haven't cranked up this bike in a minute, and it's a little of gas as well. So yeah, we'll see how it goes when I install these Vance and Hines thing and put this new seat on, and I'll take it around the block. So first things first is removing these bolts, 15mm socket. So I'm gonna do that now. I think it's 15. Yeah. The muscle to this.
Extension. Oh, not that's too long.
What did I tell you? When Craig pulls up, he's gonna help me. Got a 4-inch extension. Makes this easier. Hi, Daddy. So you're just supposed to loosen this. Don't take them all the way off.
2 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Yeah, you got to use a wrench for that one in there. I think that one has to come off too, don't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Filming yourself?
Yeah.
You don't be stopping now. You work out.
Do I though?
Mm-hmm.
This is the worst part.
Decide which way I'm supposed to sit.
Huh?
Where you want him to sit at.
What do you mean?
How they want them to sit in it.
What you mean? How they want them?
This
And you put the exhaust in there, and you're making sure that it lines up with the black part, and you're tightening it with a flathead screwdriver. Well, actually, it's easier just to use the nut tightener, and just make sure it lined up. The instructions say you can leave like a 1/4 inch of the silver part showing, but my bike is all black, so I didn't really want that much chrome showing, so that's the way I did it. But yeah.
as well. So,
At this point, we're just tightening it, and if you read the instruction, it actually says the Vance and Hines one goes on top, and it should be facing outward. And yeah, you'll see us install it next, but it's pretty simple. So at this point, we realized that the clamps that came on there originally weren't going to work, so I had to take those off and use the clamps that actually comes in the Vance and Hines kit. So that's what happens here. At this point, I realized I had the thing on backwards, so I had to flip it, and that's that.
Tighten these two, and then
Alright, about to tighten everything down.
tighten these two. After you tighten this, and then tighten the center ones right there.
Alright, got everything tightened down and installed. About to crank this bit up to see how it sounds. Install this Mustang seat. Should be fairly easy. We'll see. Comes with instructions. Pull up firmly on the nose of the seat.
George told me to tell you he bought a Suzuki. I was supposed to take a picture of it. Suzuki is
Oh, wow.
a glider, Suzuki.
The new seat installed. We about to take this thing around the neighborhood, see how this seat is real quick. So I guess my GoPro wasn't going when I went on the ride around the block, but that was the whole point of it. But the seat, 100% better. The sound, 100% better. Like, everything's great. And that noise you heard in the intro, beginning like, that was my new baby. Come on, El Jefe. Everybody meet El Jefe. My French bulldog, I love him. Yeah, say hello. No. He's bad.